Three-port fast charging, smaller size, smart protection, flame retarding material. Input is 100 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 1.8 ampere max, and USB-C one input is 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 3 amps, 12 volt 3 amps, 15 volt 3 amps, 12 volt 3.25 amps, and 3.3 volts to 21 volts or up to 3 amps, so maximum 65 watts. Those are basically the same. And USB-A output 4.4 volt up to 5.0 amps, so for Huawei, and 5 volts up to 4.5 amps, 5 volts up to 3 amps, 9 volts up to 2 amps, 12 volts up to 1.5 amps, so 22.5 watts maximum. So total output is 65 watts. So what I'm talking about, basically this is a charger from UGREEN GaN Fast Charger, UGREEN GaN Fast Charger for all and easy use, 65 watts and 65 watts. 3-port fast charging, smaller size, wide compatibility, and small protection. What is GaN? Basically, gallium nitride is basically a substitute for silicon. So this basically brings it to a smaller form factor rather than because gallium is a good substitute for silicon. It doesn't get too hot as silicon, so it is a good alternative and makes the charger size smaller. So we're gonna look into it. Nothing else in the box. Some paperwork. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so nothing else. Again, fast charger, quick start guide, whatever it says is needed. You can pause the video and read these. So yeah, and some instruction manual. Instead, like if you don't want to use it, it is for EU. Like the plug is EU. It comes in it comes in US plug and UK plug as well. So what is this? I don't know what that is, but anyways, let's get into the real thing. 65 watts, it's really heavy, but compared to other 65 watt chargers that came with my old laptop, it was basically like the size of this box. And look at this smaller thing can deliver up to 65 watts. These 3 ports can deliver like 65 watts altogether. If you want to use one port, just like you want to charge your MacBook, so you can use one port and it will get 65 watts max. And if you want to use 3 ports, it will just distribute the power among them. Same thing written over here as I read before, 65 watts EU plug, and that's basically it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.